Okay folks, today we have this potent padlock. I don't know which kind of product it is, probably just here in Italy, but it is number 16 in my little collection, and this one is the first of a new batch that I got with a friend. And here we go. Number one is binding. Right. Number 2 looks binding. No, it feels set now. Number 3 feels binding. Okay, it moved. Number 4, it was just a bit stuck, but it doesn't feel binding, so probably I have something back. One is binding. No, one is set. Number 2 feels set, so must be number 3. Number 3 made a click. Number 4 is binding now, right? Bit of counter rotation. All right, we got this open, and yes, this new batch is very nice. There is a couple of them which I really do not achieve to opening, and this is not one of them. Okay.